Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Now in this video I will gonna give you the tips and tricks for prompt generator in Stable Diffusion. So let's open this Stable Diffusion AI art here. Here you have to first sign in. I'm choosing Google here. Now you can see that our account has been created and we have 7 days left in our trial and we have 40 credit left. After that we have to buy subscription. So now let's talk about subscription first. Here for upgradation you can see their annually and their monthly packages. Here you can see that for monthly you have to pay $14 in essential, and for advanced you have to pay $29, and for infinite you have to pay $56. And if you talk about the annually, if you choose annually then it will cost you $7 per month, and it's really amazing if you want to use it whole year. So choose annually as it has 50% off as well. Here I will gonna give you tips and tricks that will gonna help you create exact prompt generator that you want. In custom setting you can choose any type of styles. You can also view 100 styles. I'm going with vibrant fancy. Here I'm going with the first one here. Here you can describe your prompt, what type of prompt you want. Here you can describe any type of prompt, what type of prompt you want. Just write here a simple thing. Okay, girl, a girl smiling. And here you can give guidelines if you want, like a girl smiling will be very, simple. So now let's do describe a little bit like a girl with a blonde hair. Here's smiling. Now let's apply this and see how it will turn out. Now here wait a minute. Now here you can see that they are creating an image. Here you can see that how they has created the image, a girl smiling with blonde hairs. Now here if I want to change my shirt color, how I can do that? Now here if I choose a girl with red shirt, okay, red shirt, a girl with blonde hair smiling, a girl with blonde hair wearing a red shirt smiling. Now let's go and test how it will turn out. Now you can see that they are creating an image of a girl with blonde hair and wearing a red shirt and smiling. Here you can see that they have now created a girl for us. Here you can see that a girl with blonde hair wearing red shirt smiling. But you can see that it's more like a child picture now. So let's go and write here a young girl. Now here write a young girl wearing with blonde hair wearing a red shirt. A young girl with blue eyes. See? Do some more customization with blue eyes, with blonde hairs and wearing a red shirt smiling. Now let's see. Okay, now let's change the background. Like if I change the background and I write here with in a classroom. Okay, now let's see how it will turn out this time. Here you can see that they are creating the image for us. Here you can see that they has created again a very childish image. This is not what I am looking for. So now not a classroom here. In a studio. A teenager. Let's go and change the hair color now. If I write here red hairs to see how it will appear in a studio with her friends. Now let's try it this time how it will turn out. Yeah, this is more like something nice here this time. And here now I don't like these two girls in the background. Let's change the background here. Okay, now right here now here for background, right here in a black background, with a blue light coming from behind. Okay, now let's create it this time. Let's see how it will come. Here you can see that they have created the image for us, but I don't like it. Now if I go and change the red light to white light here, and eye color to black, and if I change the shirt color here to white, to now see all the changes how it will turn out this time. Here you can see the girl with the white light from behind, and I really like this picture. It's very nice. The color and the eye color, everything is good. Now I have come to ChatGPT. I'm writing here. Now I have asked ChatGPT to give me an image and write prompt for the image. Now let's see how it will work. Here you can see that ChatGPT has created an image for us. I want a realistic image. Here you can see that ChatGPT is creating for us. You can see that ChatGPT is creating an image for us. So let's wait and see how it will turn out. Here ChatGPT has created an image for us, and also it has given us a prompt. Now simply copy that, and we're gonna paste this prompt to see how they will gonna create the image for us. Change the custom setting to realistic, and I have switched the character to a real character here, and now simply paste it and come down, click on create. Here you can see that they are creating the image for us. Here you can see the image that they have created. Now if I compare this image with ChatGPT's image, you can see the image that ChatGPT has created for us. And here you can see the image that this app has created for us. They don't look that much similar. Now let's create an image here. Now delete all this. Okay, now write a girl with black eyes wearing a white shirt and with, let me see the color, with red color, with red hair color, standing against a black background. A black wall will be better here, and white light is coming from behind. Now let's create. Here you can see that they are creating the image for us. Here you can see the girl. Now if I write here, smiling, a girl and smiling. Now here if I want to change the hair color to some other color, like if I choose the if I choose a blue hair color, let's go for with blue or purple. Now let's choose here blue and change the shirt color to black, and background maybe white, and change the wall to a white one. Now let's try this time. Now here you can see the image now this time they have created, and this was the image previously created. Here you can see that how this works. Here I have changed the hair color and make her smile. You can simply do that. Now go with one more, and this time choose and setting her, here I'm writing now this time, and setting her hairs. See how it will turn out this time. Now click on create. For these images you can see that these are the realistic images and these are not the realistic variants, these were different variants. Here you can see these ones. Now you can see that our character is setting her ears and this was a simple one. Here you can do as much modification as you want by giving more details. And now I will command chat.
Now if I copy the prompt
to
here
create
from the copy
this type
option,
of
you can
image
see
for
in
us.
front of prompt.
Create this realistic image. Here you can see the image that ChatGPT has created for us. And this was our image. Here just the character was different. You can choose here vibrant frenzy, journal or photorealistic portrait. I'm gonna go here with photorealistic portrait. Then then here in model or character you can choose different model and different characters. Here you can see a lot many we have. I'm choosing here this one. Now in prompt the write tall young girl walking down the high street. Detail cloth. So first here in custom setting you can choose stick natural lighting and all that. Here you can see they have created the prompt for us. You can also enhance prompt by using this. It take 1 minute edit here. I use here customize prompt. Here you can enhance your prompt by choosing the color scheme if you want cold, warm, vibrant, nude, dark or pastel. I'm choosing here pastel. Here you can see different styles, realism, fancy, photorealism, vintage and watercolors. Choose here watercolors. Now here scroll down. Here they give you different style. You can choose one at a time, so choose only one. Here you can have a lot of options here. Here you can also see the fighting games, street fighters. I'm choosing here watercolors. Okay. So now enhance prompt. So now it has prompt. Now you can see that they have enhanced our prompt. You can also see more options for next 3 credits. Here you can see that now they have enhanced our prompt more. You can select any 3 of them. And now see how the image looks here. Here you can add your own model. And here you can also create a character and you can also choose a model. And this takes up to 10 minutes. First time it takes more time for creating, but after for customization it don't take that much time. Now here you can see they have created different prompts. You can select any one prompt here, like I'm selecting here this one. Okay. After selecting, now here come important guidelines, image guidelines. Now here you can see image to image, style reference, post reference. This is new here, the post reference. Open post editor. You can also choose here post editor, and you can also choose a style reference, and you can also post here any composition reference, face reference, and advanced. Now here you can also provide more information, like if you want to add here post generator, now just click on open post editor here. Here you can choose what post you want your prompt to do. Here you can choose whether it's female based or male based or short female. Here I'm choosing short female. Okay. Now you can choose here pose. Are you want arms down, one arm down, or you want both arm down, or you want arm holding left knee. And here you can see all the options. And there are a lot many options, but let's choose a difficult one to check how it creates. So here I'm choosing this one. On right toe, arm raise. Now let's see here. You can also choose a style. You want it in square, or you want it in landscape or art print. Let's go for art print here and now say. Now we're gonna see how it will work later on. Here you can also compose reference. You can also add here reference. Here you can also add here face reference. If you want any specific face here, celebrity or your own face, you can choose that. Here you can also write here advanced control net if you want to Here in style reference, you can also add any references if you have. If you don't have, then simply skip that. Here you can also choose how many images you want, one or two. Let's go with one, I guess one would be better. Now let's click on create. This already gonna charge us 1 credit. You can see our image. Here you can see how it turned. Only one image we have created here, and the pose is obviously nice. And you can also do here, you can also create variations here if you want to. Here you can also choose if you want to do very stable variation or very strong variation. Let's choose very strong here, and let's see how it will go with that. And if you go to albums, you can select any here. Now here I have come to the models. Now you can see that here this says that you can create your one. Let's try creating one. You can create that by writing the description, or you can create with one image, or you can start with 4+ images. It's up to you what you want. And here my character, you do not have created any yet, and you can see character library here with a lot of characters. You can get inspo from them. Here I'm just writing with description. Okay, now choose character name. I'm choosing here Shine, her name. Now describe your character, what type of character you want, and here you can see different styles they're offering us and all that. Okay, now let's go. So I'm describing here a character, a girl, a girl dancing. Okay, well, let's go how it will look out. You can choose hairstyle and you can create your own style. Or you can choose one style from here. Like if I go with this style, here you can choose different styles. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.